So in this video, we'll look at Packet Tracer 3.1.2.7 Troubleshooting Serial Interfaces. Once again, I have the Packet Tracer file in the description if you want to download and follow along. Also, if these videos are helping you in any ways, please consider subscribing, like, and share. Coming back to this activity, we have objectives. Part 1, diagnose and repair the physical layer. Part 2, diagnose and repair the data link layer. Part 3, diagnose and repair the network layer. Scenario: you have been asked to troubleshoot WAN connections for a local telephone company, Telco. Okay, we have the Telco router here. It's a telephone company. The Telco router should communicate with 4 remote sites. Okay, we have 4 remote routers here, but none of them are working. As you can see, none of them are working. Use your knowledge of the OSI model and a few general rules to identify and repair the errors in the network. So we have to fix the connections. Part 1. Diagnose and repair the physical layer. Step 1. Diagnose and repair the cabling. So physical layer is cabling, right? They go together, it's the layer 1. So we need to fix the cabling. Examine the addressing table to determine the location of the DCE connections. Each serial connection has a DCE and a DTE connection. To determine if each telco interface is using the correct end of the cable, look on the third line of output following the show controllers command. So we need to ensure this telco, right? These 4 interfaces on the telco side should be DCE. DTE typically goes on the end users or on the remote routers, but the company side or the provider side should be DCE. So that's what we need to verify. So go here. So it's asking us to put, first of all, we need to move up a little bit here. It's asking us to put the show controllers command. So this is the telco router. Enable show controllers. But the issue with the show controllers is it's going to show us a lot of information. So to better filter this, just put the interface you want to see. So first we look at S000, make sure this is DCE. So all you do is put S00. So show control is S000, and then if you go up, scroll up a little bit under hardware, here you can see DCE. So we are okay here. This is supposed to be DC and it is DCE. Next we look at S001, make sure that is DCE as well. So up arrow to populate the previous command, and then S001, enter. Now we'll scroll up. As you can see, this one is DCE as well, which is good. Up arrow. Now we'll look at S010 DCE. 010. Okay, enter. Scroll up. Okay, that is also DCE, so we are good. Last one. Up arrow. S011. Okay. 011. Scroll up. That one is DTE. So this is supposed to be DCE, but this is showing us DTE. So we need to fix it. How we are going to fix it? Okay, we are going to take this delete option here on Packet Tracer. Okay, click there and come over here and click this line here, the S011 on telco connecting to R4. Okay, this last one. So because at the moment this is DTE, this is supposed to be DCE here. So we need to remove it. Okay, go here, click here and go to the cables, and this is the one with the clock we need, and this is for the serial interface. So we need to click here. So here is supposed to be S011, okay, DCE side, S011, okay, and the R4 side is this one, S001, right? So here S001, this one, okay. So that is now fixed. So there was only one error, which was this one. So we fixed that one. So it's saying reverse any cables that are incorrectly connected, and we did that. Diagnose step 2. Diagnose and repair incorrect port connections. Examine the addressing table to match each router port with the correct telco port. Hold the mouse over each wire to ensure that the wires are connected as specified. If not, correct the connections. So we'll go here. So S000, okay, on telco side connected to R1 S000, right? So S000, they're both same. So go here and hold the mouse here. As you can see, both are S000. So they are correct. Next, S001 on telco side connecting to R2 S001. So they are both the same. So let's check. Okay, telco side is correct, but R2 side is wrong, right? Once again, look, S000, it's incorrectly shown here. So we need to take out this and correctly connect this. So again, go here, delete, click here. The DC connection should be here, and this is S001. Connecting to R2 is S001. S001. Okay, we fixed that one. Now, telco side S010 should be connecting to R3 S000. Okay, S010 should be connected to S000, and it is correct. And S011 on telco side on connecting to R4 S001. So 011 on telco and 001. That is also correct. So we have completed that also. Step 3. Diagnose and repair ports that are shut down. Show a brief interface summary of each router. Ensure that all of the ports that should be working are not administratively down. Enable the appropriate ports that are administratively down. Okay, so go to telco, show interface brief, show IP interface brief. Okay, we can see, here S000 manually up, S001 manually up, 010 is manually down on layer 1, okay, and manually down, right? S010 is down, okay. So this is layer 1. Anytime status side is layer 1, okay. Layer 1 is the DCE side, the telco side, and layer 2 typically is on the remote side. So remote side is down on this one. So we need to go here and up this one. So no shutdown command we need to give. So this is S010, I think third one, right? Third one, so R3 is the one that we need to go in. And also 011 up and down. Okay. So 011 up on the layer 1 side, but layer 2 side is down. Okay, so let's go here. Each one will check also here. Okay. Enable show IP interface brief. So you can see 000, okay, is up. Okay, this is good. Right, this 000 on R1 is up. R2 is supposed to be 001. Enable show IP interface brief. and 001 is up. You can see 001 is up. That's good. Now R3 is the one we looked at. This is down. Show IP interface brief. And this is S000. S000 is administratively down. So we need to bring this up, right? So we need to go into S000 here and say no shut. Enable conf interface as 0 0 no shut, and that will bring the port up. Last one is R4, which is S001, right? Enable show IP interface brief. S001 is up. Okay, so that's good. So only this one had to be fixed. Part 2, we are moving to part 2, diagnose and repair the data link layer. Examine the step 1, examine and set clock rates on DC equipment. All of the DC cables should be connected to Telco, showing the running configuration of Telco to verify that a clock rate has been set on each interface. Set the clock rate of any serial numbers that requires it. Okay, so make sure this has clock rate already set, so all you have to do is show run, okay, on Telco, and come down, and you can see on 000, the first one, 000, we have clock rate set, that's good. Next one is 001, 001, clock rate set, so that's good. Next one is S010 DCE, and 010 clock rate set, that's good. 011 and 011 is also clock rate set. Okay, this is good. Now we'll move on to the next one. Verify the DC cable should be okay, we just completed that. Set the clock rate of any serial. Okay, we did that. We didn't have to set any clock rate, it was already there. Step 2, examine the encapsulation on DC equipment. All of the serial interfaces should be using HDLC. So all of the serial interfaces, both sides, should be HDLC. As the encapsulation type, examine the protocol setting of the serial interfaces. On telco router, we need to say show interfaces and put the interface number. So let's go. Show controllers S00, right? The first one S00. And if you scroll up a little bit, it will show us the encapsulation information. And here you can see where is encapsulation. I think it's show IP interface brief, right? Yes, so this is not show controllers. Show controllers is for the to find the DC and DT, but for this one you can say show IP interface, or you can just say show interface and then S00, S00, and now you can see the encapsulation, and encapsulation is set to, where is it? Here it is, HDLC. So this is good. Okay. Next we'll look at S001. S001, and you scroll up, it should be HDLC, and it is HDLC here. Okay. Next we'll look at S010. 010, and that should be HDLC, and it is HDLC. Next we'll look at the last one is 011. Okay, that's 011, and that is also should be HDLC, and it is HDLC. So all of the interfaces on the telco side are correct. Okay, now we have to look at the remote routers. So R1 show interface. The R1 is S00, S00. If you scroll up, encapsulation HDLC, which is correct. Now R2 S001, R2 show interface S001, encapsulation, where is it? Here, encapsulation HDLC, correct. Okay. Now R3 is S000, exit, show interface S00, scroll up, encapsulation HDLC, correct. Now on R4 it should be HDLC also, show run, not show run, show interface S001, and okay, here it's wrong. Encapsulation is showing as PPP, but it should be HDLC. So we need to go into S001 on this. Conf-T interface S001, encapsulation HDLC. Enter. Now they are both matching, so the interface just changed to up. Now we'll verify do show interface S001. It should be showing HDLC now. And it is HDLC. Okay, we have completed that as well. Now part 3, diagnose and repair the network layer. Step 1, verify the IP addressing. Show a brief interface summary of each router. Check the IP addressing against the addressing table and ensure they are in the correct subnet with their connecting interface. Correct any IP addresses that overlap or set to the host or broadcast addresses. So basically we need to verify these IP addresses and subnet mask are correct on each router. So we need to go here first on telco, show run, and go down to the serial interfaces. Okay, first one is 000 and it should be 6400 3417, 6400 3417, subnet mask /30, 255 255 255 252, 255 255 255 252, correct. Next one is 001 001, IP address 6400 3421, 6400 3421, subnet mask same, 255 255 252, correct. Third one S010, S010, 6400 3425, 6400 3425, same subnet mask, correct. And 011, IP address 6400 3429, 6400 3429, same subnet mask, correct. So all of them on telco are correct. Now we'll verify here. Show run, right? First one is S000. Okay, S00, 6400 3418, 6400 3417 is given here. It should be 18. So, but subnet mask is good, but we need to change the IP address. So go into configuration mode, interface S000 IP address 64.100.34.18, 255.255.255.252. Now it's correct, and it is also our completion is 100 out of 100, but we'll check the other ones too. I'm sure they're all correct. But we have actually completed this activity. So let's go to the next router. So this is R2, show run, and S001, right? S001, this one, 6400 6400 good subnet mask, 255 R3, show run, is S000, S000, 6400 255 okay, good. And R4, S001, show run, do show run because we are in the configuration mode. And S001, 6400 3430, good subnet mask. Okay, so that was the only mistake on R2. It was R1. It was given as 17, but it was supposed to be 18, the fourth octet. Okay, so we have completed everything. We have 100 out of 100. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can ask me down below. In the next video, we'll see some other activity. Until then,